Moje pierwsze papułaskie śniadanie. Ciekawy jogurt. Jakąś taką dziwną konsystencję ma. Ale dobre to jest. Oczywiście z mango. Płatki. Zakwaterowany jestem w Missionary Home na Tank. Bardzo fajne miejsce. Prowadzone przez parę misjonarzy z Australii. Stosunkowo tanie, wciąż drogie, jak na warunki papułańskie. Ale w pełni rekomenduję. They look like all are green.
Yeah, but the top or the here is yellow, so it's very low. So
Okay.
one in
One more.
not sharp well. Okay. You can use the pillar too. So you peel it like this. Knife is not sharp well.
But this way it's way better.
Yes,
Faster, I
yeah,
think.
faster,
Yeah. You almost finished, but he is still working on it.
This is a different mango. The other one, the other mango tree out there is different.
Different type.
Yeah,
What's the
different
difference?
type.
What's the difference?
This is juicy mango, and the other one is carrot mango, and with
Okay.
different taste.
Different type of mangoes.
Yeah.
In PNG. They grow in a tropical land. Like we got Chinese mango, we got carrot mangoes. Carrot mangoes are there, dark greens. This one, if you eat with the skin, it will taste a little bit sour in your mouth.
Ah.
Yeah, but the best is the one carrot.
Can we see the carrot one?
So this one is ready. Okay, you can go and wash it and have taste.
Because for me it looks pretty similar,
Yeah,
to be honest. But the
Yeah.
taste is gonna be
Yeah,
different.
Different.
In my hand is carrot one.
Yeah.
That's a juicy one.
Yeah.
Okay.
can-
Maybe it's a bit different shape.
Yeah, different shape. So this one will grow big ones.
So this is
Carrot.
carrot mango.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. So if I try the same with the juicy one,
Yeah.
it's gonna be like a sour, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't know that you can eat mango skin. It's really good.
Very delicious.
The season for mango now,
Yeah,
right?
mango fish are coming up to the end now. End of mango fish.
It's coming to the end.
And all the mangoes will put new flowers for the new fruits.
So you have to wait like 10 months
Yeah,
again.
Maybe not 10 months, maybe 2 or 3 months. Yeah.
I love the fruit. It's my favorite, honestly.
And in here, mangoes are very cheap, cheap price. You will buy this one 20 to like when apple, New Zealand or Australia export apple came here used to export. We buy one apple for 1 kilo, and it's expensive, a little bit expensive.
Back home we pay like a few dollars per fruit. We don't have mango in gardens. It's too cold. We don't have good climate, so it's a bit one of the most expensive probably fruits. I'm really happy to be here, to be honest, you know.
Yes.
You're not eating?
Yeah, I can eat.
Can you show me the seed?
Yeah. And it's growing.
Are you going to plant it somewhere here in the
But
garden?
lots of mangoes are
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I wish I could take it home, but yeah.
But it's far away.
Men row is going on top of
Which one is male? Which one
A
is female?
male and female.
Female is
yeah.
down.
Female is small in size. This is ladies used always use a small in size, and men used to big in size.
I didn't divide.
So the difference is you see.
Okay.
Yeah, this is banana tree, and I put some dry leaves inside and put a plastic bag, so banana will get big inside. So after maybe no, it's almost 1 month now, 3 weeks or something like that.
Yes.
So after 2 months, the banana will ready. I'll take this one out, and inside all the ripe bananas will smile and ready to eat.
So what's the reason for the black bag? Just to protect against animals or insects?
It will make the banana inside to get big. Yeah.
Okay.
To expand the size. Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yes. Oh yeah.
Cool, thanks.
Okay.
Is it yours?
Okay, now it will my turn.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 times.
5.
Oh.
Keep going. No, I'm joking. No, it's fine. You don't have to prove it. You're a strong man. You're from the Highlands.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Imsi, for
Yes.
introducing me all the plants in your garden.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming with me around.